Do you know what's better than Halloween, or kind of equally as good? Spooky nights. Here I'm gonna give you all the best tips, movies, snacks, everything for you to be able to recreate your very own memorable spooky night with your friend, your boyfriend, with whomever. So first off, let me give you the 2 rules that you have to follow. 1, it has to be Halloween themed, or 2, it has to be like comfy, like fallish type of vibe. So first up, food. I like to cook something comforting, something like fall themed. So what I went with this time was my soup. Currently in the jungle, it's kind of getting colder and colder for some reason. So I made a whole big batch of homemade soup, and I had some leftovers, so I reheated some for this spooky night. Usually with my best friend though, we would make, okay, this is so cool, going down memory lane, and I miss her so much. With my best friend, I would normally go to her house. We would blast some kind of playlist, like some Halloween playlist on YouTube or witchy playlist on YouTube. We would bake some homemade pizzas and shape them as like a pumpkin, a ghost, a cat. We tried fingers. So yeah, we would make it like intense Halloween themed. Okay, so next step, drinks. So you have the typical like cocktail, mocktail, but I'm going with a hot tea, a homemade one. It's not my partner's favorite, but I love them. What I'm putting is turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, a dash of lemon. I believe there's other things, wait. Oh, and I also add some fresh mint. But today, that's what I'm choosing for my drink of choice on this spooky night. So normally back home with my best friend, we would make some like kind of hot cocoa with like a little bit of Baileys and put on some whipped cream on top with some 100,000s, I think. I don't know if it's confetti or 100,000s, whatever, but yeah, or even like just like kind of dazzle it a little for it to look spooky and creepy. Yeah, so that's another idea for you. Okay, so step 3 would be step 3 would be snacks, and here you could get super creative. Usually I would buy some like eyeball gummies and like just a bunch of like creepy things that I could find at the grocery store, since everything is Halloween themed currently. Here where I'm at right now in the jungle in Nicaragua, they don't celebrate this, so yeah, but it's a plus at the same time because we are leaning away from all processed sugars and stuff like that. So yeah, so today what I'm making is some crepes, caramel popcorn, and I'm also cooking up some apples and putting some cinnamon on top. So that's gonna be our comfy sweet treats for the movie. Also, if you're in Canada or like anywhere where you have access to licorice, please eat some for me. Like, I love licorice and there's none here, so I mean, just eat a whole bunch for me, please. Okay, so number 4, we're gonna go with movies and TV series. I mean, it depends. I have a list of all the movies that I like. So we have some classics that I rewatch every single year. So we have Corpse Bride, Coraline, Monster House, Conjuring, It 1 and 2, Blair Witch Project, love that movie, Beetlejuice 1 and 2, Practical Magic, hands down one of my favorite movies ever, Halloween Town 1 and 2, Insidiouses, like all the Insidious are just so good. Now let's dive into the series. So we have Buffy the Vampire Slayer, the series. American Horror Story is hands down one of the scariest TV shows ever. I absolutely love it, just that it frightens me a lot. The Haunting of Hill House and The Haunting of Bly Manor. I mean, these 2 are hands down really good. And tonight we are watching American Horror Story season 6. So that one is kind of filmed like the Blair Witch Project or like a paranormal TV show, and it's just so cool. It's fun to watch. I mean, very creepy. I'm getting nightmares every single night, so maybe I shouldn't be watching that, but yeah. So step number 5 is to dress up and make it fun. Now, I can't really do this currently. I mean, I'm wearing this, which is like my normal shirt, but I feel like it's just like a witchy kind of shirt. You know, I'm putting on this is my normal look. Guys, I'm backpacking, so I don't have many options. I literally don't have any options. I'm wearing this for spooky night, but usually I would wear like onesie, Halloween themed or anything, like a little costume, or do like my makeup in a cool, like creepy way. You know, I would have fun with it. I feel like it's either you get dressed up or you do like a fun DIY activity. So with my best friend, we used to like buy little pumpkins and just paint them. I know I'm repeating myself, but you have to go all in for Halloween. It's gonna make it so memorable that it's just worth it after. Like, we still talk about those nights, and like she texts me like all the time to tell me that Halloween is not the same if we're not together, which is true. I miss you, Cam. Here you have it, guys. These are all my tips and tricks on how you can recreate this magical, memorable, spooky night. If you try any of these tips or have your own favorites, drop them in the comments down below. So hit the notification bell on, like, that you never miss a spooky season with me. And have an amazing spooky night, guys. Bye.